Question number 1.
She dashed to the store yesterday. A. Go. B. Went. C. Gone.
Question number 2.
He dash not like spicy food. A. Do. B. Does. C. Did.
Question number 3.
I have been living here 2019. A. For B. Since. C. By.
Question number 4.
They dash a new car last week. A. Buys. B. Bought. C. Buy.
Question number 5.
If I dash you, I wouldn't do that. A. Was. B. Were. C. Am.
Question number 6.
He dashed to school every morning. A. Walk. B. Walking. C. Walks.
Question number 7.
She dash finished her work. A. Already. B. Has already. C. Already has.
Question number 8.
I prefer tea dash coffee. A. Than. B. Over. C. 2.
Question number 9.
Let's go out. Dash. A. Shall we? B. Will we? C. Do we?
Question number 10.
The cat is hiding dash the bed. A. In. B. Under. C. Over.
Question number 11.
Which sentence is correct? A. He don't play football. B. He doesn't play football. C. He doesn't plays football.
Question number 12.
Dash you help me, please. A. Should. B. Could. C. Would.
Question number 13.
She is taller dash her sister. A. Then. B. Then. C. That.
Question number 14.
I dash see you tomorrow. A. Might be, must. C. Maybe.
Question number 15.
I dashed to Paris last year. A. Was. B. Went. C. Gone.
Question number 16.
He dash reading a book. A. Is. B. Are. C. Am.
Question number 17.
You dash not smoke here. A. Must be, mustn't. C. Can.
Question number 18.
Dash book is this? A, who, B, who, C, whom.
Question number 19.
The sun dash in the east. A, rise. B, rises. C, rose.
Question number 20.
The news dash shocking. A, are. B, is. C, were.
Question number 21.
I'm looking forward to dash you. A, see. B, seeing. C, saw.
Question number 22.
I usually dash tea in the evening. A, drinks. B, drink. C, drank.
Question number 23.
Neither of the boys dash ready. A, are. B, is. C, were.
Question number 24.
The books dash on the table. A, is. B, are. C, was.
Question number 25.
She arrived dash the airport. A, at. B, in. C, to.
Question number 26.
This is the girl dash won the prize. A, which. B, whose. C, who.
Question number 27.
He's the man dash car was stolen. A, who. B, whom. C, whose.
Question number 28.
I've never been dash Italy. A, in. B, to. C, at.
Question number 29.
The teacher asked me dash I had done my homework. A, that. B, if. C, unless.
Question number 30.
The dress is dash expensive than I thought. A, much. B, more. C, most.
Question number 31.
This is the dash time I've seen this movie. A, second. B, to. C, twice.
Question number 32.
We should avoid dash late. A, to. Be. B, being. C, B.
Question number 33.
I saw him dash the road. A, cross. B, crossing. C, crossed.
Question number 34.
The baby was dashed by the loud noise. A, frighten. B, frighten. C, frightening.
Question number 35.
I am not used dash so early. A. To wake up. B. To waking up. C. Waking.
Question number 36.
He had his car last week. A. Repair. B. Repaired. C. Repairing.
Question number 37.
She asked me. I was okay. A. That. B. Whether. C. Unless.
Question number 38.
The room must cleaned. A. B. B. Been. C. Being.
Question number 39.
I let him my phone. A. Used. B. Use. C. Using.
Question number 40.
We enjoyed new places. A. To visit. B. Visiting. C. Visited.
Question number 41.
The meeting was cancelled. The rain. A. Due. B. Because of. C. Because.
Question number 42.
If he had studied, he passed. A. Would. B. Would have. C. Had.
Question number 43.
He talks as if he everything. A. No. B. Knew. C. Known.
Question number 44.
I'd rather at home. A. Stay. B. Stayed. C. Staying.
Question number 45.
He was accused theft. A. For. B. Of. C. On.
Question number 46.
I'll meet you the evening. A. At. B. In. C. On.
Question number 47.
The milk has gone A. Bad. B. Badly. C. Worse.
Question number 48.
The plane landed time. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 49.
The more you practice, the you get. A. Good. B. Better. C. Best.
Question number 50.
You open the window, please. A. Shall. B. Would. C. Can.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.